Be the person they can't replace. In Stoic Men Tribe today, we're tapping into a powerful truth, a moment of inner strength, sharp clarity, and timeless wisdom. Don't skip any part of this video. Share your thoughts in the comment. Please do us a favor by hitting the subscribe button, like, and turn on notifications, so you never miss an update. Have you ever wondered what makes someone truly irreplaceable? In a world full of options, fast changes, and constant upgrades, whether it's at work, in friendships, or in life, it's easy to feel like you're just one of many. But what if you decided to become the person who can't be replaced? Not because you're perfect, not because you never make mistakes, but because who you are, how you show up, and what you bring to the table is just that valuable. This isn't about being better than others. It's about being so authentic, so consistent, so impactful, that your presence becomes essential. Let's talk about how to do exactly that. If this spoke to you, hit subscribe button and don't skip any part of the video. 1. Show up with integrity. Always being irreplaceable starts with trust. People may forget what you said, or even what you did, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. And nothing builds lasting relationships like integrity. Be the person who does what they say, who follows through, who owns their mistakes. In a world where people are constantly letting each other down, showing up with character makes you stand out. 2. Be reliable. Make dependable your brand. It doesn't matter how talented you are. If people can't count on you, you'll be replaced by someone they can count on. Reliability is a quiet superpower. Be early. Be prepared. Be consistent. Whether you're in a job, a relationship, or leading a project, be the person who delivers, not just talks. When people know they can count on you every time, you become their first call, not their backup option. 3. Add value without being asked. Irreplaceable people don't wait to be told what to do. They see what's needed, and they do it. They don't just do their job, they make everything they touch a little better. They bring ideas. They solve problems. They help others shine. Ask yourself often, how can I help? How can I improve this? How can I leave this better than I found it? People remember those who make things easier, better, smoother. That's value. That's impact. That's what makes you unforgettable. 4. Be a lifelong learner. The world changes fast, and the people who grow with it are the ones who stay needed. If you want to be irreplaceable, you have to keep learning. Stay curious. Stay humble. Learn new skills. Read. Ask questions. Evolve. People who don't grow eventually become outdated. But people who keep learning, they stay ahead of the curve. They lead, they adapt, and they inspire others to grow too. 5. Treat people like people, not transactions. In any environment, work, school, family, friendships, how you treat others is your reputation. The irreplaceable person is not just the smartest in the room. They're the one people feel safe with. They listen, they respect, they encourage, they give without keeping score. People remember kindness. They remember humility. They remember someone who made them feel seen and heard. 6. Do the hard stuff no one else wants to do. You want to stand out? Do the hard work, the boring work, the stuff that everyone avoids. Take initiative when it's uncomfortable. Step up when it's inconvenient. Carry more than your share when it really counts. If this spoke to you, hit subscribe button and don't skip any part of the video. Leaders are born in moments others avoid. That's when your character gets noticed. That's when trust is built. That's when people start to think, I don't know what we'd do without them. 7. Be authentic, not a copy. You don't become irreplaceable by imitating others. You become irreplaceable by owning your uniqueness. Stop trying to be what you think others want. Be you. Bring your quirks, your ideas, your heart. When you are authentic, you give people something real. And in a world full of filters and fakes, real is rare. Be so genuine that people trust you instinctively. Be so original that no one else can duplicate your essence. 8. Build relationships, not just connections. There's a difference between having contacts and building real relationships. Irreplaceable people invest in people. They check in, they support, they follow up. They build trust over time, not because they want something, but because they care. Relationships are the soil where opportunity grows. When you show up for others, they show up for you. That loyalty? That's not replaceable. 9. Stay calm under pressure. When things go wrong, and they will, be the calm in the chaos. Irreplaceable people stay grounded. They don't panic. They don't blame. They step back, assess, and respond with clarity. That calm energy is rare. It's magnetic. And it makes people trust you with big things, because you've proven you can handle the storm. 10. Own your energy. Your energy is your message before you say a word. Walk into a room with confidence, positivity, and peace, and people feel it. Negativity drains people. Positivity attracts them. You don't have to be loud to stand out. You just have to be intentional. Are you bringing solutions or complaints? Are you lifting others or bringing them down? Be the person who brightens a room, not just with your smile, but with your presence. If this spoke to you, hit subscribe button and don't skip any part of the video. So what does it mean to be the person they can't replace? It means living with character, leading with heart, and serving with excellence. It means being intentional with your words, your actions, and your energy. It means doing the work, even when no one's watching, and growing, even when no one's clapping. You don't become irreplaceable by chance. You become it by choice. And the best part? You don't have to be anyone else. You already have what it takes. Now, it's just time to show the world. If this spoke to you, hit subscribe button